I don't water a weak orchid with plain water. Just one dose of this mixture is enough to make it bloom again. Start by adding a tablespoon of ground coffee to a jug. Pour boiling water over it and let it steep for a few minutes. Then, prepare a second container, preferably another jug. Place a strainer lined with gauze on top and pour the brewed coffee through it to remove the grounds. Let the liquid cool down. Then dilute it with water. Use this solution to water the plant's roots. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential nutrients for an orchid's growth. They also have a slightly acidic pH, which can help maintain the soil's low pH level. Transfer the remaining mixture into a spray bottle. Place the orchid in a bowl and generously spray its leaves. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe the leaves dry. Repeat this process once a month to nourish a weak orchid. After a few months, it will bloom again. Keep a mother-in-law's tongue in your bedroom and your life will change. It's not just a beautiful decoration, but also a plant that supports restful sleep. It produces oxygen at night, cleans the air from toxins, adds moisture, and helps reduce mold. Easy to care for and perfect for the heating season, the snake plant is an unbeatable ally for peaceful sleep. Eggs for breakfast can also nourish your snake plant. Simply crack a few eggs, dry the shells, and grind them into a powder. Sansevieria, also known as the snake plant, is perfect for the home. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also purifies the air from toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. To support its growth, eggshells can serve as a natural calcium-rich fertilizer, promoting healthy cell and root development. Sprinkle dried and ground eggshells over the soil in your Sansevieria's pot once a month, gently mixing them into the top layer of soil. Regular use will help the plant grow new leaves and improve its overall condition, with the natural minerals supporting long-term growth. With this simple trick, your snake plant will not only look vibrant, but will also help improve indoor air quality by absorbing pollutants and producing oxygen even at night. The fertilizer your plants need. It works wonders. Gardeners don't want you to know about it. Regular fertilization in small doses provides plants with essential nutrients, supporting their growth and resistance to diseases. As a result, your plants will be stronger, with lush, vibrant leaves and flowers. Here's how to do it. First, prepare the solution by dissolving half a gram of glucose in 1 liter of water. Mix well until the fertilizer is fully dissolved. Then, take a syringe to help with precise dosing. Fill it with the solution and gently drop it directly under the plants. Be careful not to overdo it. Just a few drops under each plant will suffice. You can use this method once a week or whenever your plants need it. This way, you'll give your plants exactly what they need without the risk of over-fertilization. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks. Tryptophan reduces stress, preventing growth and development stunting in plants. It's ideal for plants that have been repotted or moved to a new location. Dissolve 2 capsules in water and use it to water your plants. Iodine works wonders for plant growth and health. It's widely used to combat fungal diseases and bacteria. Few people know that no bacteria have ever developed resistance to iodine. When your plants are sick and you're not sure what's wrong, give them iodine. Dissolve 5 tablets in a liter of warm water, let it cool, and then water your plants with it. Here are 5 plants that can help you reduce mold and excess moisture in the bathroom. The last plant is rarely seen. Common ivy effectively absorbs excess moisture and helps remove mold spores from the air. Snake plant, also known as sansevieria, is extremely hardy and improves air quality even in low light. Boston fern naturally regulates humidity levels. Spider plant thrives in humid environments and supports the removal of airborne pollutants. The oncidium orchid absorbs moisture from the air, lowering humidity in the bathroom and making it harder for mold and fungi to develop. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. Do this for your plants. The result will be amazing. Grate a beetroot, blend with water and garlic, strain and pour into a dispenser. Water your plants with the pink liquid. It boosts growth and enhances flowers. Pour rice and turmeric into a glass, and it will help solve a common problem. First, prepare 3 glasses and fill each one halfway with water. Then, add 2 handfuls of plain white rice. Rice is rich in starch, vitamins, and minerals. Now, add 1 small spoon of turmeric to each glass. Turmeric is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Next, add 1 spoonful of baking soda to each glass. Baking soda has alkalizing properties and fights fungal infections. Now pour 2 tablespoons of vinegar into each glass. Vinegar is a natural antibacterial and antiseptic. Mix the contents of each glass thoroughly. Prepare a larger container and a strainer. Strain the liquid to separate the rice and sediment. Transfer the obtained liquid into a spray bottle. This natural elixir is now ready to use. Spray it on plant leaves to protect them from bacteria and fungi, nourish them, and restore their healthy shine. Use this solution once a week as a natural plant care treatment. Your plants will thank you,